Hi guys. In that jump with the Maxbox car, one of the most important things to think about is safety. Our cars have all kinds of safety devices built into them that help us in a collision, starting with a seatbelt. Seatbelt keeps us in place, keeps us from hitting our head on the dashboard or even flying from the vehicle. We have airbags now. Airbags are in the steering wheel. Airbags are in the passenger side. We even have airbags up in the sides of the car up here to protect us from going sideways or hitting the window. Our cars are made to crumple in the front and the back with bumpers and different things that help soften that blow in a collision. Today we're going to start looking at collisions and what is the science when cars collide.
Okay, today we're going to use our setup to look at collisions. We're going to look at what happens when our purple car runs into another car. I chose the 23 Honey Nut Cheerios car as my target. And I'm going to place that one right down here at the end of the track so we get a really good push. All right, we have our two crash test dummies ready to go. I take this car, I put him up here, and I smash it down. Okay, now I look to see how far the cars went. I should write down how far both cars went to see if that makes any difference when I change my variables. One of the variables I want you to look at today is the height of the ramp. We did this last time looking just at the purple car, but now I want to look at what happens with the collision, with the smashing of the two cars together. Can you make an experiment that looks at the two variables, the height of the ramp and how that affects the distance that both cars move? That's the experiment I want you to look at today. In the end, you're going to make a claim about how the height of the ramp affects the distance the cars move after they collide. Okay? Be sure that you keep all of your data in a data table. You may want to make a graph. Your graph might actually have two different lines on it, one for the first car and the second one for the target. And then see if you can make a claim about that analysis. Good luck, have fun, and tomorrow we'll start looking at even more variables.